On 23rd January 2025, we prepared OPOS Methi Aloo curry having app ID of 13448. 150 grams of potatoes were sliced thin and mixed with 1/4 teaspoon of pav bhaji masala, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Spices can be varied as per individual preferences, and we like to use pav bhaji masala instead of the chili powder called for by the recipe. Though 130 grams of chopped methi leaves are required, we had only 100 grams of them. Half a cup of de-seeded tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger and tadka of cumin and mustard were prepared, and we were ready to go. 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 teaspoon of ginger pieces were added as the first layer. Layer 2 was the de-seeded tomato pieces cut small. Chopped methi leaves formed the third layer, and the marinated potato pieces were added as the fourth layer. The lid was closed and induction stove was started on high, and so was the timer. The cooking time is for 5 minutes or 6 whistles, whichever is early. The 6th whistle came at 3 minutes 32 seconds and the stove was switched off and the pressure released. This was how the contents appeared upon opening the lid. The tadka was added and mixed, and this lovely looking dish was waiting to be devoured. I ate it at lunch with chapati and found that the spices were a bit high to my liking. My wife felt it was a bit bitter. Our domestic help tasted it and said that it could be due to the high coriander powder content of the recipe. Hope to reduce the spices next time we cook and enjoy the taste better. Thanks for watching. May God bless you and your taste buds. God bless you. Bye.